I'm gonna try this shit and I can't wait. It's hot. It's really hot. Hey y'all, what's going on? This is Mark with epicconfections. So y'all know that I am not a chef. I am a cake decorator and I love my desserts. But today I wanted to show you how to make these amazing deep fried pickles. Let's do it! So I started out by making my wet batter, which is 1 cup of flour, a half teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of Caesar rim, yes, the stuff you make Caesars with, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of salt. And then I stirred that up just using my fork. And next I eyeballed the amount of milk that I put into my wet mix. I do want the consistency of pancake batter, yes, just like that. And now onto my dry mix, just a cup of flour, a teaspoon of dill weed, and next I used this Cajun spice, just a teaspoon of it. It's incredible, I use it on everything. And then just stir that up with my fork. Next I'm just taking my pickles out of my bowl and I'm putting them into the dry ingredients, making sure they're all covered nicely. And then I'm going to try to pick that up with my fork and cover them in the wet ingredients. And when he's done, I'm just going to stick them back into the dry ingredients. And then I'm going to place them onto my parchment paper, getting them all ready to fry. Next, just filling up my bowl / pan with some vegetable oil, almost halfway. And then I put it on high to let it get really, really nice and hot. And then slightly reduce the heat. Now be careful, kids, you don't want splashback. I then loaded up all of my pickles into the fryer and then slowly drop them in. Look at that. Oh, they look so fantastic. Yes! And just letting them sit in their grease bath for a couple minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Look at that. Move over, Gordon Ramsay, here I come. Watch out, Food Network, I'm on the way. So, I mean, they may not look the best. If I were to do this again, I would only put about 3 or 4 in the fryer at once, but hey, they tasted incredible. And you know what? It was my first time ever in my life making deep fried pickles, so you know what? I was quite impressed. Thank you very much. I'm gonna try this shit and I can't wait. It's hot. It's really hot. Make sure they cool down. I just spat everywhere. Make sure they cool down first. Oh my god. Honestly, I'm not even just saying this for the camera, but that's really good. Like, do you guys have Wimpy's in the States? They taste like Wimpy's. Deep fried pickles. I'm in heaven. I'm sorry for chewing on camera. I just had to show y'all these deep fried pickles. I was craving them. I was searching YouTube and I saw this guy make some deep fried pickles and I'm like, girl, I can do that. I got some dill pickles in my fridge. I got some flour and spices. Let's throw it together. Try these pickles. They're incredible. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in a couple days. Mwah.